we want to copy the D drive into this unallocated space. Now, if you noticed before, it wouldn't allow us to do it because it requests that this space here be unallocated. What I did is I went ahead and I selected wipe hard drive, and it started the process, and it was taking forever, so I stopped it, and when I stopped it, it created this unallocated space. So that should be correct. Now had I allowed it to go through the whole process, maybe would have ended up giving it an unallocated space also. But at any rate, let's go back. The intention of this is to copy the D drive into this disk 4, which is external, and it's connected to a docking station, the SATA docking station. So we've selected the drive we want to copy the contents to, and copy partition. So we don't want to do copy disk, although that would work, but we want to do this partition copy wizard. It's by default the top one is selected. We're going to say OK. Let's go take a look. We want to get disk 2. This is disk 1. So we're going to go to disk 2, which is this disk. We've selected it. Now we're going to go next. Now it's going to say an unallocated space, which is this, which is unallocated, where you want to create the partition. Okay, so we're going to go to disk 4, and we're going to select this space. It's a 2 terabyte, which is this. Now you notice that the next is not grayed out and allows us to do something. Now this is a fairly large hard drive. It's almost 2 terabytes of information, so I'll be curious to know how long it's going to take to copy the contents. So let's go ahead and we're going to go ahead and do next. And so it's sort of telling us we can, it's actually going to be creating a partition. I really don't want to change the size of it because I want to be able to continue to add information to this 2 terabyte space. So we're going to leave it by its defaults and click next. Now it's waiting for the final. We're going to have to apply it, and now it's going to start. Again, it's going to take a while because it's a fairly large file, and we don't want to have a whole lot of other processes going on. Okay, this program is ready to proceed, and we're going to see estimated implementation of these operations may take approximately 13 hours or more. That's a long time. So probably not the most efficient way to copy that D. I suppose it would be probably quicker just to take it out of the computer, the D drive, and connect it to one of these copy docking stations where it copies one disk to another disk. But since we're actually fooling with partitions, you really can't do that, because once you copy this disk to the other one, you'll lose the partitions. Anyway, let's go ahead and proceed. And cannot be. Okay, so cancel operation. So we're going to stop it there.